And we're just about to start this absolute beauty of an electrical installation. As you can see, we're just getting set up. Old consumer unit outside. We'll have some jiggering to do in there, and then obviously big consumer units go back in. Pretty straightforward. We've got a ceiling light to go in, wall light, sockets. Same again in there, ceiling lights, wall light, sockets. One of these two's got a media wall. We've got a kitchen in here. And obviously, we'll have a little look upstairs. And it's a nice tidy job, to be fair. Don't come much better than this. Would have preferred the ceiling to being pulled down like. But hey ho.